see how to insert places in your Google Sheet. So for example, I just inserted some places. Just click on and click on the open preview. You can see in your Google Sheet, you can check the entire location and some updates about the place, and similarly you can check the another place and just go to and click on the open preview. Okay, so let's see how we can do this in Google Sheets. So just select the cell and click on insert. Just click on the smart chips and click on place and type the name of your place and just select your place and click and see, then click on open preview. Here you can see the detail about the IT expert. See, also you can zoom here, zoom in, zoom out, and also from here you can open it into the Google Map. Okay, so thank you for watching.